Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my channel Pattern with Priyanka. So in last video we went through set. Today we will see what is Frozenset. Alright, so basically Frozenset is also a function that is inbuilt function, okay, in Python. So which takes an iterable object and return its Frozenset object initialized with elements from the given iterable. Okay, so we will see how we can initialize it, how we can use its function, and how does Frozenset works. All right, so moving forward we will see some important important tips of this Frozenset. All right, so Frozenset object and set in Python are very similar. We already went through set, so we will see Frozenset how it work. All right. So both are unordered and unindexed. So indexing does not work with this Frozenset basically, and unordered means here if you are means initializing any Frozenset, then any element you can initialize it at any point. It does not like that you have to be follow any order and all, right? So that's what I wrote over here. After that, duplicates are not allowed. So basically in set also we haven't passed any duplicate values. Likewise over here also we can't able to pass any duplicate values. This immutable data type, you can say, and we already discussed that indexing does not allowed. Over here I said unindexed means indexing does not allowed. All right, so basically we will see how to initialize Frozenset. So here I have taken one variable and is equals to I am initializing empty Frozenset. So see, you have to mention over here Frozenset and then simply parenthesis, and this is how you can initialize empty Frozenset. After that we will check what is stored in that variable. So it is showcasing us that Frozenset and empty parenthesis. What does it means? Empty Frozenset. After that we will check type of this variable. It is giving us Frozenset. All right, so if you want to initialize any value in Frozenset, how you can initialize it to any variable? So this is how you have to store it in. Here I taken one variable that is set1 equals to. Always keep in mind whenever you are initializing any Frozenset, you have to pass values. Anything you are passing, you have to pass it in curly bracket. So here I'm passing values, integer values 1 to 10 in curly bracket. After that I have taken new variable and I'm saying equals to Frozenset of this set1. All right, and we will execute this and we will check what is in fset. So this is one Frozenset which is containing 1 to 10 integer values present in this fset Frozenset. All right, so moving forward we'll see what is means which type of Frozenset functions available with us and how does it work. So we are having this 7 function. We will see one by one. First of all, we will see union. How union work. So basically here I have passed one set, after that another set, right? Why I'm not saying it Frozenset? Because we haven't passed Frozenset over here. Are you able to check? Yeah, we have already said that if you are passing any values to say means Frozenset, you have to pass it in this syntax Frozenset of that particular set. Means like if I wanted to pass these values in Frozenset, I have to wrote over here Frozenset. I have to follow one kind of syntax for it, right? So over here we are just passing say to sets, and I'm saying result equals to this f set means first variable dot union of second variable. Let's check out what it is giving us. It is giving us all the value in one set. And yeah, union function does what it does. It will gives us a combination of both the set in new set, and whichever variable you are assigning to it, it will reflect the combination of that both the sets. So we will check its type. It will say that set, right? So it's not for frozen set. We will now see how it will work with Frozenset. So I'm passing the same set over here 1 to 5 and 6 to 10 integer of numbers with Frozenset. Let me remind you, this is what the syntax for passing any integer value. Like I will write over here Frozen set in parentheses. Or over here you have to write some means values or something like that. This is what syntax for Frozenset. And you have to assign it to any variable so it will be easy for you. All right. So here we will check union with these two Frozenset fset dot union of fset1. We will check its result and see. It is giving us same kind of result, but here it have given us set and here it is giving us Frozenset. That's what the differ is. We will check its types too and see here we got type of it, it's Frozenset. Likewise we will see now intersection. How okay, so basically syntax is over here you have to pass that first variable name dot union and then in parenthesis second variable. Likewise for intersection also you have to use this dot intersection, and same for any means where you want to perform it for which variable you have to pass it over there. So here what intersection does, intersection gives us the common element between both the Frozenset. Over here 1 and 2 is common. We can see after that difference. From difference itself you would be able to understand that it will give us differ value which are present means differ value of f set from this f set 1. It won't give us differ value of f set 1. Let's check it out. So here it is showing us that 3 4 5 means this f set is having these three differ values from this Frozenset f set 1. Now we will check what is the differ value present in f set 1 as compared to f set. See over here it is giving us all the differ values from this second Frozenset from as compared to this first Frozenset. Let me clear over here also about intersection. If you will give means it will pass over here first variable that's f set 1 and second one is f set, then also it is giving 1 and 2 because both are containing same common values, that's why. All right, so we will try to add over here 3 again. See, but for difference it will gives us result for left side, just like for over here we are having f set is on left, so it will gives us differ value from f set over here for f set 1. Moving forward, symmetric difference. So same function is how you can wrote it dot symmetric function, sorry, symmetric difference, pardon me. And what it will gives to you, symmetric difference will gives you all the differ value from both the Frozenset. So you can able to get all the differ value from both the Frozenset by using this symmetric difference. And if you want particular, then you have to go with dot difference. It's superset. So basically, if you are storing some values in a set 1 means any variable like f set is containing this much of values, and f set 1 is containing this much of values, and you are saying that f set is superset of f set 1. What does it means? It is this f set is containing all the values of this f set 1. Is it so? Let's check it out. No. So that's why it is giving us false. Now what I did, I have passed all the values which are present in this f set. I have passed all that values in f set 1 also, and now I am saying that f set 1 is superset of f set. So yeah, it is correct, right? Because it is containing all the values of this first frozen set, and that's why it is giving us output as true. Now moving forward, each subset. Now from each superset, as you would able to understand, if each superset is giving means like true and false answer output, I can say. But what it is showcasing means what it is reflecting output. So basically, it is showing that is it really superset or not? Is it containing all the values of another set in it or not? So just like that is superset. So if any we are having two frozen set, and one is containing all the values 1 to 10 and another one is containing sum of values from the first set, then we can say that the second frozen set is subset of first frozen set, right? So likewise we will check over here. So we are saying that f set is superset of this set f set 1. No, because it is not containing all the value of f set, right? So that's why it is showing us false. Now we will check again. Yeah, so what I did now, I have passed all the values in second frozen set, and I'm saying that f set dot is subset of f set 1. So it is showing us result true, because yeah, it is present in this subset is present in this superset. That's why it is showing us true. Last is disjoint. All right, so we will check how is disjoint work. So it have to pass, you just have to pass this dot is joint is disjoint function over here, and I'm saying this first set dot is disjoint of f set 1. So again we will check with C. Over here it is giving us false, because why it is giving false? Because see, over here it is containing f set value, f set values are means 1 to 5, and some of the values of f set is present in f set 1. That's why is disjoint means what? They are not similar. Okay, but it is having some of the element of f set in f set 1. That's why it is showcasing us false. But over here you are able to see that every element is differ from each other. So that's why it is showing us, yeah, it is true. It is each disjoint. So this is all about today. We have learned Frozenset. So try to cover it, some examples on it. I will try to post some questions about Frozenset in further video. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.